Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your hairstyle using the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select the picture that you would like to edit or you would like to apply filter to. After that, click on the hairstyles category down below, which is the second option. Here you can find the available filters. As you can see, only 2 of them are available to all of the users, and the others are only for the premium users of the application. So all you have to do is clicking on the relevant filter that you would like to apply, and in a few seconds it will be applied to your picture. You can see the difference between the original and the produced picture by clicking on this button on the right side corner of the screen above the filters. So here you have it. If you want to save it, click on the save button at the top and then your picture will be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.